To compare fractions, you need to look at the fraction as a whole. So in the grades prior to grade 6, the denominators have always been the same, such as this, 5/8 and 3/8. If the denominators are the same, then the student just needs to look at the numerator. 5 is greater than 3. Both wholes are separated into 8 parts, so 5/8 would be greater than 3/8. Once you get into grade 6, though, the comparisons are when the denominators are not the same. So then you need to make sure that your wholes are the same size. So an example here would be 6/8 and 2/3. And you notice how I made the wholes the same size, the circles as close as I could to the same size. For this example, you're going to use transparent so that you can actually see through. And we have many tools at school that the students can use, like fraction circles and fraction squares and rainbow tiles, many ways for them to compare using tools. So here I'm showing you that the 6/8, or the orange, is bigger than the 2/3. So the 6/8 would be larger because we can put it right on top. Again, sometimes in grade 6, it's not just proper fractions you need to compare, and sometimes it'll look something like this. An improper fraction compared to a mixed number or compared to another improper fraction. So in this case, again, you want to make sure that the whole is the same size. So here I use squares because it doesn't matter what the shape is as long as the whole is the same size. So if I had to compare 9/6, I have to make my whole into sixths, and I'd color in 9 of them. Over here, my whole is in quarters or fourths, and I have 2 wholes, which is shown by the whole number, and 2 fourths. So this one's easy to compare then. You can see that 2 wholes is more than 1 whole, and some, so this time 2 2/4 is larger than 9/6.